Okay, so now you can see now the time to grow a plant is 0.9. Remember it was 1.001. Now it is what? Now it is 0.9 seconds. So in 0.9 seconds, I'm creating one plant. Okay, I'm creating one plant. And if you go back here, you can see also my earnings has gone up in a day. Let's take this one. So I think before let's see how many plants. Okay, now I'm making how many plants in a day? I'm making 92,946, almost going to 100,000 plants in a day. Okay, now if I go to 100,000 plants in a day, that's huge amount of money. That's huge amount of money. Why? Because imagine now the price of plant is 0.000369. Okay, this is the price. Now imagine if I go to 100,000. Okay, let's use the calculator here. Now just take it's 92. Okay, it's 92,946. 92,946. 92,946. Now let's times the price. The price now is how much? The price now is 0.000369. This is the price. Now assume, remember we are in a bear market right now. Everything is down. It's okay. But despite the fact that everything is down, but I still make some money. Okay? Why? Because I've been compounding this. Now let me take you to see here how much I make. See how much I make now. Yes, here we are now. Let me input the amount of plants that I have right now. So the amount of plants that now I have equivalent to 1,122. And you can see how much I make in a day. Per day, I'm making 34.37 every single day. Now, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to talk to anybody. It's just your plants producing seeds. And you just keep on compounding until it reaches a stage whereby if you want to cash out, you cash something which is reasonable. Okay? Now, imagine having 37.37 from just one ecosystem of the drip ecosystem. Okay? This is not from all the ecosystem in the drip network ecosystem. No, it's just one ecosystem of the drip network, which is the drip garden. Now, see how much you make in a week, 261. In a month, 1.136. Now, let's assume now the price goes up. The price goes up from 0.0, okay, from 0.0003. Let's assume it goes to 0.0008, just 8 here. Let's do the calculation now. Just 8. See how much you'll be making in a day. 0.0008. See, guys, I'll be making 74 US dollar in a day. Okay. Now let's assume again. Let's assume again. I make, maybe let's assume it goes to 0.001. See how much I'll be making in a day. 92946 times 0.001. Now see, this is how much. Sorry, this will be 92 US dollar in a day. I'm not talking about going to all-time high. No. I'm just speaking about small uh, uh, appreciation. Okay. Now let's assume it goes to 0.008. Okay, 92946 times 0.008. Just there. You know how much I'll be making in a day? I'll be making 743 US dollar in a day. Now, what is the historical price action for the drip? For the plant price. This token, this non-sellable asset went up to 67. When I joined this, the plant price was 67 US dollar. Do you know how much I'll be making when plant plus goes to $1 here? Hey, it will be crazy, man. It will be crazy. See here. 92946 now times $1. This will be how much? This will be 92,000 US dollar 946. Now you might be wondering, will it be possible for this to go back to 1? Hey, it was 67. We are in a bear market. This is bear market, guys. Now, I spent 100 on this. I got 3 plants. The same person who is going to spend 100 today, right now, he's going to get more than 160,000 plants, making $3 in a day. You'll be making $3 in a day, and in not more than 16 plants. No, sorry, not more than 16 seconds. You'll be making 1 plant in a day. You can see it's a total bear market for the drip garden. I'm not your financial advisor. It's up to you if you make decision or you indecision. It's up to you. But this is the little thing, guys. This is the little thing. Now, imagine making that amount of money. Okay, so very soon we are going for 100 plants in a day. Yeah, man. And even now, after we have just compounded. See how many plants I have. I have 663. So after every 0.9 seconds, money is being generated on my wallet. This is DeFi, decentralized finance. Just imagine I'm having 0.25. Even 5 minutes have not gone away. This is huge, guys. Huge. Okay. So that's another ecosystem in the animal farm. So what are we waiting for the launch now? We expect November 1st if Forex will not change the date. So on November 1st, we are going to see now the dog pound is going to be live and the farms and pools. Now let me go through the dog pound and you see what is it, the dog pound. Okay. Now welcome to the dog pound. This is the animal farms loyalty reward system. You just take your dogs here to reduce stake animal farm dog to reduce your tax and earn a BNB dividend, which is generated from the animal farm dog taxes. So auto dog pound puts your NBNB to work by pairing it with animal farm dogs and is taking on your behalf into the animal farm dogs BNB farm, adding you compound interest in both BNB and animal farm pigs. As an added bonus, your animal farm dog transaction tax is also reduced 25% faster in the auto dog compound 1% a day, making it easier to decide what's generation over short-term volatility. So you need to have dogs. Right now, you cannot have dogs. Okay, you cannot buy dogs right now until it's live. That's when you can have the dogs. Okay, now we are waiting for that. Another place where you can make money is from the farms. You can see here the farms and the pools. Okay, now these are the farms. You can see the farms. We have dogs BUSD, we have dogs BNB, we have drip BUSD. We don't know yet the APR. We have wrap BNB BUSD. We have stable coins pair. Now for me, I've prepared it for the USDT BUSD. Already it's there. Let me try to share with you. Already it's there. I've invested almost 1,000 US dollar. Okay, my LP is just waiting for the uh I mean waiting for Forex to announce that we are ready. Uh let me try to share with you. Let me expand this. You can see already preparing for that. 1,000 is ready, and I'm not ready to know how much will the APR be, but I'm sure we're gonna make a lot of crazy money. Too much money will be made from these guys. Too much money will be made from this. Now you can see the USDT BUSD. I'll be earning dogs. So I'll be earning dogs, and I will be taking these dogs to where? I'll be taking these dogs to the dog pound here. Okay, I'll be taking them to the dog pound here, and I'll be earning BNB here. Okay, I'll be earning BNB here. Okay, I'll be earning BNB. Okay, yes, I'll be earning BNB. Okay, and this BNB auto dog pound puts my NBNB to work by just pairing it with the animal farm dog and staking on your behalf into the animal farm dog BNB farm, earning you compound interest in both BNB and animal farm pigs. So you can earn also pigs and BNB from the dog pound. You see how the ecosystem will be to be so much crazy, guys. Now let me share with you my MetaMask, and you see that yes, man, I'm ready, man. Uh, Ready uh, uh with the launch of the farm, the pool, the dog pound. Hey, what's this? Don't forget to subscribe, man. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash the likes. Keep pressing that button. Place it. Oh man. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with the internet, but I just wanted to share with you my uh my RP. Okay, let's continue, guys. Now, uh so these are the farm and the pools. The pools are here, guys. These are the single staking, as you can see them here. Uh You take non-native tokens to earn dogs, and animal farm dogs can be paired with BNB or BUSD to farm AFP governance asset or stake in the dog pound. And AFP can be staked in PIGGYBANK, okay, the pigs, to secure ownership of platform or time lock in PIGGYBANK. Now for me, I will go for the BUSD, and already I have my BUSD 500 BUSD, and I'm thinking of adding it to 1,000. I will put 1,000 on BUSD here, and already I have my 1,000 already there on the BUSD USD TRP. Why? Because I want to make a load of dogs here, taking them to the dog pound here, and then boom, making dollars in a day. Now let me finish with the drip community, the drip FAUCET. The FAUCET give you 1% every single day. That's the payout. Every single day you get a 1% daily return from your drip deposits. And the minimum for you to join the FAUCET, you need to have not less than one drip. Now, what is the price of drip right now? One drip is equal to how much? One drip not now. If you go to the swap fountain, one drip is equal to 4.97 USDT. This is the price of one drip, and you just need 1.1 drip into the faucet to start. Ladies and gentlemen, when I was joining this, the faucet, one drip was almost like 80 something. Yes, no, it was like 80 something. Yes, yes, something like that. So I got only one drip with my 100. But for you now, the price is four. Imagine just moving from 190 up to four. Very cheap to enter into the faucet. So you need to have BNB. Okay, you buy your drip with BNB, and you take them into the faucet. You sacrifice them, and you earn 1% every single day from your deposit. Now you can see how many drips do I have. I have 211.7 into the faucet. Already I've claimed 182.707 drip. And what is available right now is 4.338. This is the only amount of money that I can cash out. But this one cannot be cashed out. It's sacrificed there. And I cannot earn more than 365% of my deposit. Okay. Also, it has a referral system. You cannot join into the faucet without having a referral link. You need to have a buddy. Get a buddy. Now, I've dropped my referral link there. I might be your buddy. If you want to be into the faucet, use my referral link. You update this one here, and you will be starting earning your 1%. So what we do here, let's compound this. So I'm going to compound this 4, and it will change here. It will be 216. Okay. Now it's 21.58 USD if I want to cash out. And this is according to the price of the drip. It's too down. So you have the option here to compound or to claim. If I claim, I get the drip. And if I compound also, I get drip. So I'm going to click here, compound. Okay, I think it's the internet. Let me do it again. Okay. Ah, shoot. Now, okay, so I'm going to share with you now my LP, my BUSD USD LP. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, there we are. Now let me take to the asset sides, and I take you to the down here, the LP, where the LP. Okay, here it is, guys. You can see the LP is here, guys. 467.48. This is the LP for the BUSD USDT. This is 1,000 USDT. Was divided into two, 500 on the BUSD, 500 on the what? 500 on there. And these are my dogs here. You can see my dogs, guys. These are my dogs. These are my dogs. 8.44 dogs waiting for the launch, man. Now, let's get back here and we compound this. I'm just clicking here, compound. And once I click compound, then I will be asked to confirm the transaction and allow it to be executed. And my BNB balance will be reduced because of the gas fee. Let me refresh this. Okay. Uh, all right. Let's try again. I click here compound. Yes. Now it's working. It's working. Now it's working. It's working. So I'm going to be charged the 0.48 US dollar. I just click confirm. And here we are, guys. Boom. You see here it will be 0 because we have added back this 4.356 drip back to the deposits, the available deposits. So also my daily earnings will be changing. I'll be earning 1% of 215.89. So the more you compound, the more you are increasing your daily earnings. And even if the price goes to $1, I'll still be earning 1%. This is a low risky project compared to the PG Bank, compared to the Drip Garden. The Drip Garden doesn't have a consistent earning. It can go up and down depending on what? Depending on how many times you compound, and not how many hours. How many times you cash out. So you can see the compound is successful, and now we have 215. Now, ladies and gentlemen, do you know 215? If you want to join now with 215, you need to have 1072.08 USDT. This is the amount of money you need to have. Okay, this is the amount of money you need to have. Now, let me share with you some of the calculations here. Okay, some of the calculations here. Uh, let's use the compounding calculator, and I share with you, if you have 215 right now plants, how much will you be making? How much will you be making? Okay. And imagine, what if the price of drip goes to where it was? What if it goes to where it was? It's going to be crazy, man. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy, man. Okay, so just a compound interest, okay? Uh okay, let's use the daily compounding. If you're compounding daily, okay? Now see this. Now we are not assuming these are dollars. We assume them they are drip. Okay, we assume them they are drip. So I'm just going to put here 215. These are not dollars, these are drips, and the interest rate here is 1, and we are compounding daily. Okay, we are compounding daily, and let's assume it's 1 year. Okay, and include weekends. Yes, let's assume we include weekends. Okay, and okay, so daily invest rate, okay, 100%. Now let's, today is 25th, okay? Now let's assume you do it for 1 year. Okay, 1 year is too much, yeah? Let's assume you do it for 6 months. In 6 months, if you start with 215 drips today, in 6 months, what will happen? Now let me click here, calculate, and then we see now. Okay, so don't get me scared, man. Okay, don't get me scared, man. Uh Okay, I think this is, no, I made a mistake. Not 6 years. That's too much. It's 6 months. That's too much. Okay, so in 6 months, ladies and gentlemen, in 6 months to come, I will not have 215 drips into the faucet. I'll be having 1,315. This is not dollar. This is plant. This is drip. Now it means my 215 is inside here, but the total earnings excluding my 215, it will be 1,100. This is the percentage profit of 511.6% in 6 months to come, which will be ending on 25th April. 25th April 2023. Okay, my 215 drips will be 1,315. Guys, just take 1315 by that time. Just take 1315 by that time. 13, it is 1315, yes? 1315, okay? Times 1% every single day. It means in a day, I'll be earning 13.15 drip in a day. Now, let's assume the price of drip. The price of drip remain the same. 4. Just 4. Okay? Now is times 4. How much will I be earning next year, April? I'll be earning in a day 52 US dollar. I've just assumed the price of one drip remain the same. The same. I'll be earning 52.6 US dollar in a day. Guys, this is huge, man. This is huge. But let's assume also the price of drip will not remain the same as 4. Why? Because the animal farm will be, the full animal farm will be launched. Too many capitals will be there. A lot of investors will be there. a lot of products will be launched in the animal farm. The animal farm will be full printing money. Now, if you go to coin market cap right now, let's try and look the historical snapshot for the drip. Let's look for the drip here. Okay, let's look for the drip, and then we see the future of compounding this token. Is it worth it or not? Sorry, guys. Uh, I just want to show you the historical snapshot of the drip, so that you can understand that war. So I should be compounding every single day. During bear market, just keep compounding. Bullish, a keep selling, man, keep taking out profits. Okay, now let's try and see. Okay, here it is, the drip network. And we see the future, man. Let's see the data, let's see the information. Now we are at 4.89. Okay, this is the price right now. In 24 hours, it has gone down by 2.46. Yeah, man, it has gone down by 2.46. But see, guys, see, okay, we were here yesterday at 5 point something, and then we went down up to 4.8, and then we went back again for 9. Here we are still going down. And now let's go and click the all-time high. Now see the all-time high, drip went up to here, 161. 161. When was it? It was January 27th. January 27th. That's the time uh, drip went all-time high. It means if you see this, we are almost here. We are almost here, guys. We are almost here. Down. Totally down. Okay? Totally down. See, 5, 4. Totally down, man. Totally down. Let's see the candlestick. If you ask me, this is a time for you. If you will not buy this token today, it means you are going to wait for when it goes to $60. That's when you want to chip in. Going back to 100, that's when you want to chip in. And we are going there, guys. We have a huge community. We have the team behind the project. Uh, the little mini business. Okay, so we are going there, guys. Man, okay, this is crazy. I just wanna see this guy saying drip will become the most talked about DeFi project in the next couple months. Build your position now or cry later. Okay. Okay, I think this one is disturbing me. I just want to share with you Anyways, now assume if we go back to here, 32 US dollar in a day. Now, if I'll be making 13, just assume we go back to 30 here, 32. Now take it's 13.15 times 35 US dollar. It means in a day I'll be making 460 US dollar. Assume when drip goes to maybe by next month, because this is April. This is April, guys. This is April. Yes, April. So maybe next year, April, we will be back to 32. Going back like that, going up to 55. Okay, maybe we'll be going up, and maybe we will break even 160. Assume when we go to 160. 13.15 times 160. This is how much? 2,104 US dollar in a day. I've seen people making this money into in my community. Yes, when drip was above that, and they invested, they input a lot of capital by that time. Okay, so this is something crazy. Now let's get back to the daily compounding. So right now, you can see now this is monthly. Let's go to daily. So 26 October means tomorrow I'll be compounding 2.15, and by November 1st I'll be compounding 2.28. Uh, by December 1st I'll be compounding 3 plants in a day, which it is 3 plants, not dollars, 3 plants in a day. Okay, and it will go like that by January. By the end of January, I'll be compounding 5.64. Now 5.64 in January still is good money. Why? Because it's 5.4, it's 5.64. Assume the price is still the same. 5.64 times just for price. It means I'll be getting $22.56 in a single day. So what is the meaning of this? Hey, I'm going massively into the market. I'm going to spend like $100, okay, buying this token. I mean, buying this token again because it's down, okay, and maybe this is the last time we see this drip going this down. Maybe we might go to, let's see, let's go here and see. Let's try this and see. Dates 2. Let's try this and see. Let's check here the this is how you earn money while you sleep, man. From the DeFi. Okay, so it's opening. I just want to show you the price actions of the drip so that we understand. Can we buy now or we wait for sometimes? Where how far can it go down? Okay, let's see the movements here, the charts. Let's see the charts. Okay. Okay, so let's look for drip here. Here it is. Now you can see drip now is you can buy it on PancakeSwap, or you can use Dexpool or Poolcoin to buy it. It's up to you. Now, see in 24 hours, okay, this one we have discussed 2.27% in 24 hours. And they just in 1 week, drip dropped it by 14.61. Okay, by 14.61. Now, yes, the charts here, guys. Now, let me add some indicators here. We see how down it might go. How down it might go. Let's use the RSI, the stochastic RSI, and we see how far it can go. Okay. This was when? This was okay. The RS one is 37. Okay, it's set 7, and it means it's below 40. But you can just keep an eye on it. We might still go down a little bit. Yes, we might go down a little bit, maybe to uh 33, maybe we might go up to 30. Yes, maybe we might go up to 28 RSI. If it will happen that we go to 28, okay, it means drip will be below $4, almost like 3 point something. It's a very good entry to chip in when it goes to 28. Okay, when it goes to 28, it's a very good entry to chip in. I don't think if we can go up to, oh man, I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe. Uh, I don't think if we can go below 20. But if we go 20, it's a good entry again. So you can have double entry maybe. But I think we might go to 27. And this will be my entry for me. When the RSY go to 27, boom, I will chip in. It's a very good entry starting going up again to the top. Okay, starting going up again to the top. Yes. So thank you so much, guys. That was the quick updates from the drip ecosystem developed for the shark. And it also have shown how you can make good money from the drip ecosystem. It's up to you to make your own decisions. But for me, I'm making good money on this. Yeah, man, I'm making good money from this ecosystem. Very good money in a day. And I'm sure in the future, okay, in the future, next year is the year to make a lot of money from this project. I can just see here, man, by April, oh man, by April, I'll be making good money from this. Good money from this ecosystem. Okay, good money from this ecosystem. Thank you so much. And this is Cryptos Arena. My name is Joshua Pastor. Let's meet again next time when I drop another video from the Drip ecosystem. But today we're gonna have a lot of information from the cryptocurrency. Okay, stay tuned and see you at the top. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to smash the to smash the like. Thank you so much and see you next time.